What's up, my lowriders? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And that's how also you become an official lowrider. You guys, I'm going to be doing some cleaning today. And of course, I started cleaning without you guys. I already made up my bed, you guys, so... And I wasn't going to record me cleaning, but I said, you know what, let me get this content for the people. So with that being said, I already made up the bed. And now you see me dusting and stuff like that. But don't worry, there's more cleaning to be done. There's more cleaning to be done, okay?
Of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone.
Room all done, you guys.
I know it's hard to be you.
Dusted, everything dusted. I still need to vacuum.
Baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah.
And that's that for
Is there anybody who can help me?
the room. You guys can see I got some dishes I need to wash. The kitchen needs to be clean, but it's not that dang on dirty. And all I need to do in here is clean the tables off.
I'm one of a kind, you know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself, 'cause you can love me like no one
Sometimes you gotta let some pots soak. I had made some grits and it got stuck in there, so I put some water in it, put it on the stove, and let the water boil so that I could clean that pot. You guys, I saw these sunflowers and I had to have them. So I think there were 6 in like each one, and I didn't need 2 dozen because I only have 2 vases. One of them is very small and the other one you guys will see. But yeah, I had to have them and they look so pretty, you guys. Oh my goodness. And yes, I'm pouring bottled water in my plants. Or should I say flowers? Okay, I had bought the refill for the Glade air fragrance, and it had been empty for about 6 or 7 months. But the thing was still shooting like something was in there, right? So now I put a new one in there and it doesn't want to shoot. What's the problem? That's why I keep taking it out to wonder. I'm wondering why it is not shooting. It just had a whole empty bottle in there and it didn't shoot. So you know what? I'm not about to keep playing with this. I think it needs some more batteries. Because when it was low, it was able to shoot. So, I mean, low in the can was empty. But now we have a full can and it's heavier. Maybe I need new batteries. Okay, everything is done, you guys. The living room is done. The tables are cleaned off. The kitchen is done. My bedroom is done. Oh, and while I was doing my bedroom, I was doing laundry too, but I did not record me doing the laundry. It wasn't that much laundry anyway, but still, I didn't record it. I didn't feel like taking the camera from that room. But yeah, I am loving the way those daisies look, you guys. They are just so like, it's a vibe. It's a real vibe. Look at them. Oh yeah. Super duper cute. Okay, my little riders, I am done. And I'm going to put a few clips in here so you can see the finished product, you guys. I am going to relax tonight for real, you guys. Look at my sunflowers. Oh, I just love them so much. They are so beautiful. Okay, I'm out, you guys. Thanks for watching. What's up, my low riders? I got all of my housework done. The only thing I didn't do was vacuum my room, and I'm going to do that in a few minutes. And you guys don't know what it takes for me to do a cleaning video for you guys, because I clean every single day. So the dishes that you saw me wash, I had to physically let those sit in the sink. Well, let more get added to it for like 2 days. Nah, 3 days. In order for me to have some dishes in the sink. And that's probably why I couldn't sleep. Because I cannot sleep when I have dishes in my sink. So yeah, I left dishes in the sink to get a cleaning video for you guys. My room wasn't that bad. Living room wasn't that bad, but I got my room, the living room, and the kitchen done. And I don't have anything else. Yes, I do. I'm not gonna even lie to you. I just need, the bathrooms don't even need to be cleaned. I just like to clean my toilets every week, because Las Vegas has very hard water. And with that hard water, is this not clear, or is it just I don't have my glasses on? Should be on automatic focus. Nope, automatic focus. Here we go. It's on there. So yeah, we have very hard water in Las Vegas. And then the toilet, like, we really don't use the downstairs toilet or the toilet in the guest room, because my son is rarely here. Nobody's rarely here, so they'll get that little hard water ring, and that looks disgusting. So I have to clean them every week, and I don't know who this is. And there you go to voicemail. I don't answer phone numbers that I don't know. Oh, well, maybe this is who somebody was supposed to be calling. Who's supposed to be calling? Oh no, the lady for my birthday dinner. She already emailed me. So with that being said, I'm out of here, you guys. Thanks for watching. And if you made it to the end, an extra, very, very, very extra special thanks. And also, if you made it to the end and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And also, comment. Tell me how you felt about the video. What you liked, what you didn't like, what I could have did better. Let me know, okay? So here we go again. Subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And guess what? I am out, you guys. Bye-bye.